Hello everyone, this is Team Exentia. Hello everyone, this is Team Exentia. We're from MJCET and we are here in this video going to propose our solution to the problem statement of domestic waste management for SIs 2023. The problem number is 1322. In this solution, we are proposing a complete holistic waste management system starting from a futuristic AI bin to a complete cloud IoT dashboard with an app that is provided to the user and the garbage collector, which has many functionalities that we're going to discuss further into the solution. Okay, so now let's discuss the complete solution. The first step is the user is provided with a futuristic AI bin at home or anywhere he wants to use the bin, which has two built-in compartments, one for organic waste and one for inorganic waste, and an ESP CAM32 module sits on top of them, and that helps in classifying the waste. This is implemented using tiny HML technology, which we're going to discuss further. Now, as the user uses the bin, the user earns points for correct waste disposal. Once the user uses the bin, the waste that is collected by the garbage collector is sent to the recycling plant, and that recycled waste and the revenue generated from that recycled waste is used to reward the user. The user redeems points for rewards. Okay, this is our complete solution, and we'll look into the cloud integration in the backend of it in a moment. Okay, let's discuss the bin architecture now. So our bin has two compartments, one for organic and one for inorganic. There is an ESP32 CAM module that sits on top of the compartments that will help perform a machine learning classification right there using the FOMO object detection model. We are training an ML model on edge impulse, and we're deploying it here on the Arduino board. So all the processing is done on this tiny chip right here. Now once you classify the waste, there are servos that are actuated by this same Arduino board. For the lids, the lid automatically opens for the desired compartment, and the waste falls down in the required compartment. There are two IR sensors on top, as you can see here. These IR sensors help help the user to engage with the bin without touching the bin, so they maintain the hygiene. And there are weight sensors right here below, which help identify the weight of the waste on either side of the in either of the compartments, that help analyze the volume of the waste. Okay, we are fusing these two sensors because even a heavy weight waste will not be able to fill the bin completely, so we are not completely depending on the weight sensor, and even a lighter weight can fill the bin like a cardboard. So we're not only using the ultrasonic sensor for waste capacity measurement. Okay, moving on. Now the data from all of these sensors is collected and all together sent to an IoT cloud platform called Thingsboard. This platform is open source and it provides multi functionality to monitor the sensors, to check the health of the sensors, and to analyze which are in working condition, and how analyze the sensor data correctly. It provides an interface to easily manage and monitor all the individual bins with working condition. When this solution is deployed on a large scale, this dashboard that is open source helps us many functionalities like alarms and stuff, and also it also provides the graphs for analysis right there, like the live analysis. And each of the bin can be individually diagnosed and maintained using the Thingsboard dashboard. This is a screenshot of the Thingsboard dashboard that you can see with all the serial numbers of different bins with their addresses and their connection, if they're connected to the internet online or offline, and with the fullness capacity and their battery level. And there are, as you can see, down below, there are also alarms down here generated that a low battery level is indicated for a specific bin, and a map on the right side where the bins that are needed to be emptied or that have been filled before the collection time are to be shown here. Now this capability of Analyzing and gathering all data at one place also helps us derive statistics to compare per locality waste generation. For example, if locality A is producing more waste than locality B, more inorganic waste, then we can aim to spread awareness in locality A that this locality is spreading more, is generating more waste. So we will need to either campaign there, or initiate some awareness campaign, or we can also leverage the app that is provided to the users to send push notifications that we're still going to talk about later on, and that can be used to target a specific audience that is significantly contributing to waste generation. So this is the app that is provided to the user, and in this we can see that the user gets instant notification if any resident has kicked off a cleanup initiative that helps improve community engagement for a cleaner future. And the app also provides the functionality to recommend some good measures to reduce the waste. That if locality A is producing more waste, then you get notifications on the phones of only locality A people that your locality has been it has been observed that your community is contributing to waste generation significantly, and here are some useful tips to help reduce your contribution. So this will help spread targeted awareness to the public. But that's not it. Our solution also provides a reward system for the users that will help them engage using the bin. As I said before, the rewards are provided to the users from the revenue generated by the recycled waste. So this is a complete eco-friendly cycle. The reward system also encourages users to keep using the bin and dispose waste properly. And as you can see, we have depicted the cam that is here in the cartoonistic images. The actual bin would be like this, the architecture that is shown in between, and an ESP32 cam module will be fit there for appropriate waste classification. This is the app login interface that we are going to provide for the users and the garbage collector. As you can see, the app has multi-user login interface. An individual can log in as a collector or a user. If you're a user, then you in the mobile user interface, we provide news, reminders, facts, suggestions on waste management, and the ability to initiate campaigns and join campaigns. The user is also provided with a dashboard of rewards where he can redeem the reward points for coupons, vouchers, and discounts, and also a page for history analysis where he can analyze the waste generated per month and the number of items recycled and the yearly analysis and the monthly waste generation analysis. Here is the collector's interface. When the user is logged in as a collector, you'll see the collection history and the monthly analysis of the collections and alarms generated for the trash bins that are full and a map to navigate to the trash bins that are to be emptied. The analysis that is done follows this architecture. The telemetry data from things board like this in terms of serial number, fullness, organic and inorganic waste generated board is accumulated, like the inorganic organic data from things board is accumulated and sent to the AWS server, and it triggers a lambda function which runs a machine learning model on query on requirement and sends the generated predictions to the app. So this reduces the cost, and it's only triggered when it is necessary, like in a month or in a week, whenever the user queries that is needed for prediction. The prediction of contribution can also help analyze how much a society is contributing to the waste and what would be its expected contribution in the next month or year. To make a significant impact on the waste management landscape by helping to reduce the waste and improve waste management practices. And this is a very practical and implementable solution that can be inculcated in every household, in every office, and this has a very good money saving and business aspect to it as well. So this is it from our side, and also we would like to emphasize on the point that all the points that were discussed in the problem statement are completely tackled by a solution. Provides for the awareness and education. App provides news and suggestions. For the behavioral change in people, we inculcate responsible waste management behaviors with the rewarding system. And for community engagement, we have provided with the ability to initiate, participate in cleanup drives. The infrastructure improvement, futuristic bin is used for every household. So that is the development in infrastructure. And technology and innovation, we are incorporating edge ML and cloud IoT technology, that is the latest in AI technology, which will be leveraged to serve for a cleaner tomorrow. So that is it from our side. Thank you so much.